Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Snapchat calls. Now, if a person has been bothering you so much that you would simply like to disable the calls or call notifications for them, it's really simple to do so. All you have to do is open the Snapchat application. Let's say that you want to actually disable the calls and messaging from one specific person. You can simply come to their profile, tap the three dots option, go to this manage friendship and choose to remove them as a friend. But of course that's not what we are going to do. What we are actually going to do is we are gonna just come back here and then tap the profile icon at the top left and then make sure to tap at the gear icon in the top right of the screen. And now right over here you can see this notifications. Just tap on it, notifications, and simply look for the calls notifications here. And once you look for the call notifications, you can just choose to uncheck them. To make sure to uncheck all of these notifications if you don't find it right. So once you've done this, the other thing what you have to do, simply long press the Snapchat app icon, or you can open up the settings. You can simply go to this notifications. Once you go to notification settings, go to this app notifications and then search for Snapchat. Now all you have to do is you just have to turn this toggle off. Now whether you receive a call or message, you are not going to get notified. This way you can go ahead and disable the Snapchat calls. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.